everyone, I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So today we are going to be talking about the new Covergirl Fresh Pick palette. I did purchase this at my local Walmart. It does retail for under $10 for 4 shadows, which I thought was great. It also comes with a little applicator as well, which I don't use. I'm pretty sure 99.9% of the people don't use those, but that's okay. It's great, you know, if you're a beginner, then you have that little option there as well. This here, like I said, is called Fresh Pick. The color that really caught my eye in this palette was that blue shade right there. It really screamed my name. I'm going to show you this palette up close and just show you swatches as well. I really, truly think the shades in here are absolutely beautiful. I really feel that I'm pushing myself outside of the box. Now, the blue has this nice shimmer shade to it, and so does the light color, the gray color, and then the dark gray has a matte finish to it. Now, to be quite honest, I kind of wish that this dark gray was a black. I think that would have been so beautiful as well. Maybe I will try it later on to create like a nice black smoky look and then just pop that blue shade in my center of my eye. So I created this whole entire look with this palette. It does retail for under $10, and I did pick it up at my local Walmart. They do have quite a few other shades that you could choose from as well. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you how I created this look with this palette. So I already have my concealer applied to my eyes, which is the YSL All Hours Concealer. And the first shade that I'm going to start off is with this like really light beige shade. I am going to go in with my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to be blending this all over my lid. Now, this definitely does have a shine to it. You guys probably can't tell because we're so light, but it does have like a nice, soft, subtle shine to it. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is this dark matte shade, and I'm just going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye, and this is with the MAC 222 brush, and I'm just going to be applying a small amount each time. And I have to say that when I dipped into the brush, there was a little bit of kickback, which is okay, but this is really super pigmented, as you could tell. And I'm just going to slightly work that into my crease. So there we go, there is the gray shade applied. Now, just to let you guys know that when I first looked at the palette, I thought it was like a really deep, dark kind of black shade, but it's a gray shade. I kind of wish that it was a black shade in this palette. Even though there's only 4 colors, I kind of just wish that this was a black matte. But it applied really nice so far, and I'm just going to go ahead and build the color up a little bit more because I do want to make it really nice and dark, because after I am going to be going in with that blue right in the center, because that is what really caught my eye with this palette. I'm going to go right in here to the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just going to apply that gray shade with my MAC 222 brush once again. And I'm just going to build that up really nice and just slow. I don't want to put a whole lot of product on at once. And so far I'm not seeing no fallout, which is great. Now I'm just going to work that right into my crease just to connect it all together. Now I'm going to take my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm going to take my MAC, and this is the 248 brush. I'm just going to spray this because I have a feeling that that blue shade just needs to be applied with some setting spray. It is really beautiful in the eyeshadow palette, so let's hope that it's going to be really nice when I pick it up. There we go, look how blue that is. That is extremely vibrant. So I'm going to go ahead now and just apply this into the center of my eye. Ooh. Okay, CoverGirl, we'll see what you're at right now. Totally. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. That is stunning. This is the reason why I got this eyeshadow palette. I'm normally not one for blue shadows, but this one was just calling my name, and I totally fell in love with it when I seen it. That is so pretty. That is absolutely stunning. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and apply it dry to this eye just to see if it's as vibrant as when it's applied with the setting spray. So there we go. There it is, picked up on a dry brush, and I'm just going to apply it there. Okay, so it's definitely not as intense as you can tell. Like, this is more of a real nice dark blue. Like, it's super intense compared to this side. So I'm just going to apply it, yeah. So it definitely needs to be applied with a setting spray. Just look at the difference. So now I'm going to go back over it with the setting spray. Now just to deepen up once more, I'm going to go back in with that gray shade with the MAC 222 brush, and I'm just going to be applying this to the outer and the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just working that right into that blue shade. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead off camera, apply my foundation, concealer, lashes, and then I will be back to finish this look. So I did go in with my Kiss lashes in a little black dress, and now I'm going to go ahead and just finish off this eye look. I really want to take this blue and just bring it down, and also take the gray as well and just connect the two together. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I did go in with my YSL All Hours Full Coverage Matte Foundation, which you all know is my favorite foundation. Everything will be listed down below. So now I'm just going to go back in with the MAC 222 brush, and I'm just going to blend that right here down in the inner part, or outer part I should say, sorry. And I'm just going to bring those two colors together just to connect them. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC 248 brush, and I'm just going to apply that blue shade right underneath, and I'm just going to blend the blue and the gray together. Now I'm just going to slightly blend that blue shade out. Now I'm going to go in with that light shade, and I'm just going to pop that to the inner corner of my eye with my pinky, just to bring a little bit of highlight to this look. So there we go, there's the final look. I have to say that I really love it. I definitely feel like I'm going outside of the box, outside of my comfort zone, because I really don't typically go for blue shadows, but this blue shadow just called my name. I absolutely love it. Like I said earlier on in this video though, that you do have to apply it with a setting spray, because if you apply it dry, it's not as vibrant as what it is when you apply it with the setting spray. As for the other shadows, I have to say that they blend out really nice. I do wish that this dark gray was a black. I think that it would be so pretty, just have a real nice deep dark black smoky eye look with this pop of blue, but I am happy with how the gray goes with the blue. All in all, I really truly like this little palette. I think it's great for traveling as well. They do have a variety of different shades that you could choose from, but like I said, all because of that blue, this is why I got this palette. So let me know in the comments down below if you got the new CoverGirl Fresh Pick palette, and if you guys go ahead and recreate this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram at Nicole Chantell 32. Also, let me know in those comments down below, what is your favorite CoverGirl product? Let me know, because I'd like to try out some more CoverGirl products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!